So here is their data set. This data will be on learn. Okay, and here is a question we have. So this is the question. So it is saying earnings management Benford law. Actually, it should be Benford's law. Okay, Benford's. Okay. Earnings management is the manipulation of earnings by tempering numbers associated with the earnings. So Benford's law suggests that the probability that the first digit of any number has the value given as follows. So digit 1, first digit 1 will be 30.1% times, 2 17.6% times, 3 12.4% times, and in this way 3 through 9 the digit is decreasing frequency. So number 9 will be 4.5% times. And studies suggest that manipulated data do not follow this trend. Okay, and now we are required to download the data and then analyze whether the cost of goods sold, net income, cash flows from operating activities, special items have been manipulated. Okay, to answer this second question, we are required to prepare the distribution table with leading numbers and present the results in bar diagram. Finally, comment whether any of the financial statement elements are more likely to be manipulated. So this is the formula actually to generate the first digit. Okay, we may not use the 1. Okay, so let's start. So our first step is to calculate the first digit. So what I have written here, cost of goods sold FD means cost of goods sold first digit. Okay, so let's use left of this one. So it will generate the first digit. So see that first digit of this one is 1. So it has generated 1. So let's copy the formula by double clicking over here, and you can check randomly. So 3 is the first digit, 3 has been generated, 3 first digit, 2 is the first digit, 2 has been generated, 2 first digit, 2 has been generated. So now our second step is to calculate the number of digits. Okay, so let's see digit. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. Okay, so what we will do now, so count. So how many first digits we have for the cost of goods sold? So you can use the count if. Okay, count if this one is 1. Okay, so what we have done, see, you can see that count if, then the range, okay, and if it is 1. Okay, and for saving time, I am just copying, the formula. Okay, so I'm writing 2 over here. Okay, paste, I'm writing 3 over here in the formula. Okay, now write 4, paste, now write 5, and now write 6, write 7, 8, finally 9. So we have this one. So what I'm doing, I'm copying this one, copy, and paste as numbers. Okay, and here is, let's calculate the probability. So let's do the auto sum of this one. See that 10,000 times. So this one divided by the total. Okay, equal to this one divided by total, equal to this one divided by total, this one divided by total, equal to this one divided by total. The same thing we're doing. So we have this table now. And now I'm copying this one again. I'm deleting this one. Delete this one. Okay. So now we will use the pivot table. So select this table and insert a pivot table. Okay. So insert a pivot table we have. Okay. Just drag it down. Digit. Probability. So we have these numbers and sort the numbers largest to smallest, then pivot chart group. Okay, you can see that we can see a chart, bar diagram chart similar to the one of our Benford's law. So this data is less likely to be manipulated. So if you want to report this one, let me see how to report this one. So the first one, this is our cost of goods sold. Okay, cost of goods sold, the frequency. So what we can do, format cells number, let's take 3 decimal places. Okay, this one is much better. Okay, so what I am doing, I'm copying this one and here it is. Okay, this is the table we have, and then we can copy this. So just paste as an image. Okay, so this is, so from the we can see that cost of goods sold is less likely to be manipulated, correct? Manipulated. Okay, so let me show you the other one. So net income first digit. Okay, so net income, so the same thing you will do. Left this one, I'm sorry, I think I didn't use the equal sign. So left, then net income. So why? Actually this has 7 because it has I think, let me, it has decimal places. So format number decimal places 3. So see that 7.5. So actually first digit was 7. So that is why it has 7. Okay. So what we will do now, we will calculate the digits. So the same thing, you can use the countif. Okay, countif and the range. Okay, 1. So we have this one. So we are copying the formula. Okay, so write 2. Here it is. We will write 2 over here. Okay. Now this made then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and finally 9. Okay, so the same thing again. Let's copy this one and paste over here as a number. Okay, and then we will calculate the probability. And okay, before calculating, so we need to use the auto sum to sum. See, because there are many missing, so that is why we get this time 6,600 plus only. So this one divided by this one divided by this. But even after that, see, you can see that the 30.2% is number 1. Okay, the leading leading digit. So, and number 1 and 2 are following the same trend. Can you see that? So this is really magic. When I first saw this one, this was really a magic. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's copy this one. Delete this, and now insert table. Okay, we have this. Okay, so what we will do, we will sort largest to smallest, then pivot chart. So see that the same thing. Isn't it a basic? Okay, so and let's no, let's format the cell. Where is that? Format the cell. So numbers, let's take 3 decimal places. So this is for net income, correct? So net income. Okay, this is the table we have, and this is really awesome. I like this one. Copy. So paste as an image, so it doesn't change. So we can see, and the same thing actually from the analysis we can see that. Sorry. That net income is less likely to be manipulated, correct? So let me show you the other one. Okay, let's see the operating cash flow. Okay, cash flow from operating activities. So let's go for the left. Each one 6. Okay. Use the count if. This one is 1. Okay. And I'm copying the formula. Okay, and just write 2, then 3, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so again copy this one and oh shit, sorry, I paste the numbers. Okay, so probability. So before doing that, the order sum in this time we have 7,000. Okay, 7,700. So this one divided by this one. See, again we have 30%. This one divided by this one. Let me see. Okay, this one is a little bit higher. So we have this one. Let me copy. And let's insert pivot table. Okay, so digit probability. So sort from largest to smallest pivot chart. So the same thing, almost same thing we can see from here. So it also doesn't have the probability of manipulation. So what is that? This one is cash flow. Okay, and we can copy this one and paste as an image. See, so the same thing, almost same thing. Okay, but this one number 6, see that a little bit higher. Okay. Okay, so I am sure that you have got it.